Hi, this is Dave Vedder with DKNR Designs. We're going to go through a little bit about us and our process, and we'll try and make this as quick as possible. So let's talk about us, what we do, and some FAQ and exactly how to get started with us. So about us, I'm Dave Vedder. I'm the lead and founder of DKNR Designs. Our main team has been, we have senior architectural designers, we have takeoff and estimation people, we have technical drafting people, supply and logistics, wholesale and distribution, and we have client liaisons to help our clients walk through their build if you want to. This is some of the special designs that we've done in some of our construction projects when I used to be an unlimited licensed builder in North Carolina. The one on the right is actually a rendering and not even a real project. I have over 4 decades of experience in the industry, and this process I'm getting ready to go through is the way I used to build multi-million-dollar homes and hit my budgets. Plan the work and work the plan. This is what we do. This is based on real-world experience. If you put garbage into your construction process, you're going to get garbage out. You have to design to the budget of the client. This will help remove project stress overload. So some of the services that we do: architectural interior design, home shell packages, full material packages, and even a white glove service for high-end clients. Some problems with the standard process that people have when they build a home is, what's the cost per square foot? This is what they ask all the time right away. How much is a blank home? I want a guaranteed hard price. Then they also ask, where does DKNR work? So what's included in the kit or home, right? They usually don't ask this. They usually just try and compare prices, and you end up comparing apples to oranges. So what's wrong with this current process that people go through? Builders use a spaghetti technique for a cost per square foot. They throw a number out there because you don't even have plans. You don't even know what you want, and you don't even know your finishes. And they throw high numbers out there, and eventually it'll stick with someone. They may throw 10 to 15 prices out there, and somebody will latch on, and that's the one that they work with. How much is a blank home? Everybody and every home is different. It depends upon if you're going to be an owner builder, if you're going to sub all the work out and project manage it, or if you're going to do a full turnkey. And also the finish level is extremely important. The picture, this home in this picture is a lot more expensive to do than a rectangular home with 4 corners. I want a guaranteed hard price. No, good luck with that. That's why builders throw high numbers out there with a ton of fat in them. Ever since COVID, material prices have been all over the place, and the availability of subs and subcontractors is changing constantly, daily. Where does DKNR work? Almost anywhere. So we'll sell kits anywhere in the United States, and we can even do stuff overseas. So what's included in a kit home? That's a good question, right? Whatever you want. People ask this question because they don't know what else to ask, and then they don't know how to compare that with something else that they're looking at. They have no idea what all they need to build a home. And you first have to have your ducks in a row. So stop doing this and asking what's in a kit, because you really don't even know how to compare them just yet. The normal method is people do it backwards. So they ask, what's the price? And they want a rough number from a builder. Then they want to start a project, and they have no clear budget, or they have no clear finishes. They don't know if their allowances are good. They have no finished complete plans. And a lot of them haven't even picked a lot or figured out where they're going to put the home on the lot. They make changes on the fly, the allowances are not enough, and then they end up going way over budget. So how are we different than that? We start with a rough budget estimate with every client. If they don't want it, you don't have to do it. We work in pricing during the plan stage when you're making adjustments to the plans, and we have our clients develop a good, better, best finish schedule strategy. We move to a more solid estimate, and we try to have our clients stay at least 10, if not 15% below their budget, below their max budget with the initial budget. We price everything that you can think of. Plans are complete and the project starts. You use your good, better, best finish schedule to stay on budget. So again, I'm Dave. Thank you for stopping by to see us. Contact us or get in touch with the website via email or text us. The best thing to do is text at 423-616-1690. If you see the phone number change on the header of the website, text to that number. We appreciate it. Thank you for stopping by, and we hope to see you real soon.